how to get new dice in Monopoly Go. So if you just load up the game and click on the three lines in the top right, you should see My Showroom. Click on My Showroom, and here you have all of your tokens, you have your shields, then you have some emotes, and you also have the dice section. Now, it is going to be a collectible like any of the other previously mentioned, like shields, like the emotes, and also the tokens. So the dice here, if you click on the exclamation mark in the top left, it is going to tell us that you can win new dice from events. And again, if you complete a shelf to unlock the next one, you can get rewards. So basically here you get new dice from events, specific events like this one here, the lift shop. It may give you some dice. Now the dice are currently more rare than the other like tokens and so on and so forth, because they've been out for a shorter amount of time, but you get dice from events and then you can equip them in the showroom like I just showed you. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.